के स्पॉयलर्स मत दो।
देखिए अपने शहर में वापस आया हूँ मैं दिल्ली में। ऑफ कोर्स ये हमारे दिल्ली वाले सब, ये हम सब बहुत अच्छे लोग होते हैं दिल्ली वाले। हमको एक बार जो बात बोल दी जाती है ना, हम कभी जाके बाहर नहीं बताते, है ना। ये हमारी सर आदत है, हमारे डीएनए में है ये। तो आपने इतने प्यार से बोल दिया है ऑलरेडी कि प्लीज सबको बोलना कि स्पॉयलर्स ना भेजें, एक दूसरे को ना बताएं, तो वो हम करेंगे सर। बहुत ही अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं हम सब, राइट? है ना, अच्छे ना दिल्ली वाले? कोई बोल नहीं रहे, आप लोग बोलिए तो सही एक बार।
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल।
अभी आप बुलाइए। सो हमारे दो बहुत अहम किरदार जिनके बिना स्त्री पूरी नहीं होगी, बिट्टू।
I feel absolutely thrilled. I feel even more thrilled because today the whole gang is here. Stree is these people and Pankaj ji, of course. It's so much fun to be a part of this film. It's such a special film from all of us. Stree ने हमेशा हमें सिर्फ दिया है। I think हम सबके करियर में एक बहुत लंबी जंप दी थी Stree 1 ने, और I think Stree 2 जो है दोबारा एक बहुत लंबी जंप हमको देने वाली है। और ये सब पॉसिबल हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ योर लव। Stree is not our film, Stree is your film. ये आपकी फिल्म है, आपने इसको इतना प्यार दिया, आपने इसको इतना बड़ा बनाया, and we are so thrilled that we are back with Stree 2 because हमको बहुत मजा आया बनाने में। We had a great time always, whenever we all are together, we had a great time. We have a great time. और हमें पता है कि हमको जितना मजा आया उससे ज्यादा मजा आपको स्क्रीन पर आने वाला है। तो आज से प्रीव्यू शो स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, जो रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं they are overwhelming. We are on cloud 9. We are all grateful. There's a lot of gratitude. So thank you so much इतना प्यार देने के लिए आपकी अपनी ही फिल्म को। तो प्लीज जैसे हमने पहले भी कहा, स्पॉयलर्स के लिए बोलिए सबको ना दें, जाकर फिल्म देखें। Have a great time at movies, guys.
I want to ask thing. That everyone knows Rajkumar Rao is a very very good actor. He's done so many good performances. But my entire gang saw the film and they all feel that his comic timing is impeccable, right? We've seen that. But I have to tell you, one, like if you have to have 5 reasons to watch Stree, one will be Rajkumar Rao's performance. He takes you through a realm of emotions. He takes you through a journey. And I'm not just saying this for I'm saying this because he's sitting here. But he is, and I think we saw him dance in Aine, and people said, "Hey, what is the side of Raj?" That it's the same side of Raj which had come 6 years ago. So we urge him to do more comedy. We urge him to do more films like. And I actually believe it's a very tall ask, but it's his most wholesome performance among everything he's done. So all the best. I hope it does well for you.
Yeah, बाकी कुछ हुआ तो बोल चुका।
ये जो फिल्म थी, बिकॉज आई टेक केयर ऑफ द हेल्थ वर्टिकल ऑफ दैनिक जागरण, ओनली माय हेल्थ, तो मेरा क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा हेल्थ से जुड़ा हुआ होगा कि ये जो जॉनर है हॉरर कॉमेडी, इसमें एक्टर्स आपके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट रहता होगा कि आप एकदम से स्विच हो रहे हैं हॉरर में, एकदम से स्विच हो रहे हैं कॉमेडी में। तो हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज इट फॉर यू गाइस to maintain your own mental health and sanity while switching so easily between comedy and horror?
I think first of all, I would say that I would absolutely, I second your opinion that we all are Amar's fan. This film is this because of his, the way he made it part 1 and now part 2. We all love him. He's a brother. I think it's so much, it's fun. Honestly, like when you do a horror comedy, it's a lot of fun doing that film. Even when you're getting scared, you are getting scared, but somewhere you also know that, it might come across as funny to the audience, like which happened in part 1. There were so many moments where we were getting scared, but people were laughing. So we were very sure that, we have to be aware of the fine balance of the thin line, that it should not become too serious where it becomes only a horror film. The horror is very real though. But I think that has been taken care of, that we don't take things so seriously that it becomes another film altogether. And after cut, as Amar said, the moment you hear cut, we are back in our form and we're back in our senses and we are just cracking some stupid jokes. So I think that really maintains some balance amongst all of us.
Also मुझे क्या लगता है कि जितनी भी हॉरर है, तकलीफें हैं, डर है, सब चीज़ों का सॉल्यूशन हंसी है। यू नो. सो मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये होता है कि लोग कोई भी इमोशन फील करें, उसके साथ उसमें एक ह्यूमर ऐड कर दे तो वो इमोशन उनको ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं देगा.
Answers to the questions this time with 3-2. Meanwhile, I have a very special question to all of you, starting with Mr. Vision. So, of course, we cannot wait to see the movie, and finally, we have been already witnessing advanced bookings. The theaters are going to be jam-packed. How excited and happy you are, especially you, sir.
You know, last night, Shraddha, Raj, me and we were sitting and we were having dinner. So it's not settled in our heads right now. You know, we've generally been always for the last 3 years an underdog film when you all give us so much love. Now suddenly this very interesting what called expectation has come in. You know, we're probably the biggest advance of the year, and वो बोलते बोलते भी थोड़ा हम शायद फील करते हैं. लेकिन I think what is most important is that Stree 1 has a lot of love. I have a nephew who's 8 years old. I don't know why, but he doesn't eat without watching Stree. So kids like it. My mother likes it. So that generation likes it. So I think this Independence Day, which is a holiday, we as a country like being together. So I think the fact that it's a film where everybody can go and see it, you know, be it a child, be it a parent, be it your grand, it gives you the opportunity to experience it. And also I think this time Amar has managed to make it bigger, crazier, and though he'll answer all your questions, he's going to give you some questions also. So it's a film I think right now here, not many people have seen the film because it's just been delivered. But I think it's one of the best films we've made because of the experience it gives you. So when you're in a theatre, you'll really enjoy it. And somewhere I think today the audience and the media has become very intelligent. They can sense what the film is offering, and that's why, you know, we can talk about numbers and all, but the fact is it's love, right? It's not numbers. People have come with love, and you know, I hope it lives up to all their expectations. If that happens, I think we'll be really, really, really happy.
Thank you so much, sir. And I think we're going to get even beyond our expectations. Since you mentioned that it is one of the best films that you've made, I would really love to take a liberty and mention that it is also one of the best films that we as an audience have ever watched. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
And now, of course, to our Stree herself, I would love to ask you, Shraddha, first of all, welcome here, welcome to Delhi, welcome to us. And I would love to ask you that you are coming as Stree once again after 6 years. It's the eve of release and we're going to start the evening shows by tonight. The theatres are already packed. How happy you are about it? Oh, check. तो जैसा मैं कह रही थी कि स्त्री मेरे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है जो दिनेश विजन और अमर कौशिक ने मुझे दी है. सो फॉर मी इतनी स्पेशल फिल्म है, इतना सारा प्यार मिला है फिल्म को. अभी पार्ट 2 आ गई है और जो एक्साइटमेंट हम देख रहे हैं लोगों में वो बहुत ही हम्बलिंग है. एंड इट्स वेरी स्पेशल टू बी हियर इन दिल्ली. दिल्ली मेरा दूसरा घर है, बहुत वक्त बिताया यहाँ पे बचपन में. एंड जब मेरे बाबू ने आशिकी देखी थी ना, उन्होंने दिल्ली में देखी थी और उन्होंने कहा कि दिल्ली की जो एनर्जी है, पॉजिटिव वाइब्स है. और मेरे बाबू ने फिल्म देखी तो वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आई फील कि दैट फ्राइडे ऑल्सो चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. सो एक बहुत ही सिमिलर फीलिंग महसूस हो रहा है. स्त्री भी वैसी ही फिल्म है, मेरे लिए बहुत दिल के करीब है. एंड जस्ट एज डीनू सेड कि इट्स गॉट सो मच लव that we really hope that everyone gets entertained, everyone goes to the theatres and watches it with their families and their friends and just has a great time. This is my film that I am very, very proud of. So it's a very good feeling. How sweet. Thank you so much, Shraddha. And now, of course, over to you, Rajkumar. Welcome back home. And welcome back home with Stree 2 as well. We are more than excited to see you back on screen
whenever you are up there, you leave us awestruck.